Listen to the cicadas, everybody. They're everywhere. Here's the boys playing with them. You guys want to show your cicadas off? Looky there, everybody. Nice, creepy looking cicadas. Thanks, Luke, for sharing the cicadas with us all. Caleb, do you have any cicadas?
No.
No, not yet. Oh, look, he's going to share one.
No.
Here, hold it right there. I want to see it up close.
I'm going to get to.
Ooh, creepy. But what's the creepiest yet?
Yeah.
Is the sound of the cicadas exploding through the night. Check out this tree, guys. That is nasty. They are everywhere. They said a couple years ago that they were going to be bad, but they are so much worse. Look at that. This is like all the way up the tree. Nasty. Listen again. Listen again. Say goodbye to the cicadas. Bye-bye.